Hi everyone, welcome to SI Share classes. Today in this video, how to draw a rectangle whose length equal 4.75 centimeter and breadth equal 3 centimeter in easy way. So please watch the video till the end. So let's start the video. First of all, let us draw here a line segment of length 9.5 centimeter. So first draw here a line segment of length 9.5 centimeter and leveling here point A and here E. So AE equal 9.5 centimeter. Okay. Next, bisecting the line AE, so taking greater than half of AE and drawing arcs by this way. Now putting the compass on the point E and cut here and cut here. So now joining this and which bisect the line AE here at a point, so taking here point B. Now checking this, so this is perfectly 4.75 centimeter. Okay, so here AB, this is 4.75 centimeter and BE also 4.75 centimeter. And here this is a perfect 90-degree angle. So this is a 90-degree angle. Okay. Now taking 3 centimeter length with the help of scale and compass. So here this is a 3 centimeter length. Now putting the compass on the point B and cut the perpendicular line here. Now putting the compass on the point A and drawing an arc here. Next, taking AB equal 4.75 centimeter and this is equal with BE. Now putting the compass here and cut here. So now leveling here point C and here D. So first joining AD, then joining DC to complete our required rectangle ABCD. So this is 3 centimeter and this side also 3 centimeter and this is 4.75 centimeter. And all the angle are equal and 90 degree, because we know that all angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. Now here all the construction steps, you will get all the construction steps here. So therefore ABCD is the required rectangle whose length and breadth equal 4.75 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Please share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.